Hello, agency owner. So let me show you how our Revealer Genius product works and how it's perfect as a white label solution for you. So this is Genius and our main page. So once you sign up, you'll be led to this page and you'll be able to create a tag like this and install it on your website. And then you can start seeing the contact of anonymous website visitors coming to your website or that of your client. And here's the example of data you can see. So we do have B2C and B2B. So in the B2C data, it means we just have personal information about them. We don't have company information. So this will look something like this. So you'll be able to have name, city, email address, email valid status, as well as general information like mobile phone number, gender, age range, net worth, homeowner status, and IP address, and all the additional information. And you also be able to see the activities of those individuals. So what exactly are they doing on your website? What pages are they clicking on? How long are they spending on each page? What day were they visiting? As well as a summary of all of their sessions as well. So that gives you very, very in-depth visibility on everything people are doing on your website. So you'll be able to see things like they came to this page from this specific link on this specific device. So all of that gives you high level visibility. Now, we also have the same thing with B2B data, meaning that we're able to see information like scenario level, their job title, business emails, phone numbers as well, LinkedIn URL, city, state, as well as their company information like the industry and phone numbers of their company, SIC codes, as well as LinkedIn URL, employee count. Revenue, again, all that good information. So that gives you again high level visibility. And then we also have just high level insight. So you can be able to see what's going on at a high level. So between a period of time, the total number of visitors, people who are from the US, the total number of visitors, our pixel was able to identify how long they're spending on your website, scroll depth, fake traffic, bounce rates, traffic sources. Again, lots and lots of information to provide high level. So let's talk about more on the white label piece. So if you're interested in this and you've installed the pixel for yourself, you start to see results. The best thing is to resell this to your client because it's a ready to make solution. And we have complete white label solution. So here's how it works. So for example, you sell this to one of your clients and they're like, yes, I'm looking forward to getting all those leads of people coming to my website. How do I and you want them provide them a code. Of course, you don't want the Outreach Genius branding to be on it. You want to fully white label it yourself. So all you just have to do is click on this white label, and let's just say your name is ABC Marketing, right? As you will see here, you will see that the code that you're now sending to your client has the word ABC Marketing in it. And it doesn't matter what your company name is. So if you're, the good company, agency, as you see here again, it has all of that tag, and this is what you will send to your client. And now it has your full white label solution on it. So once we've done that, then you send that to your client. The next thing is when your client has now installed this and they want to start seeing the results, obviously you don't want to give them your login to your own platform, to your own part of our platform. You want to have everything as white labeled as possible. So let me show you how this works. So for us to do that, all we have to just do is click on visibility here, and then we want to make visibility public or private. When it's private, it means that your clients won't be able to see these results. Maybe they stop paying you or whatever reason you don't want them to see the result, then you set it as private. But if you want them to see the results, you set it as public. And what you want to do is you want to edit the hosting name. So let's just say, for example, here, we name your company name is the Good Company Agency, right? And then we will rename the domain name. So the domain name is basically the link that you will send to your client so that they can be able to access the results. So let's just say, for example, we say the good company, right? And that's the domain name. So as you can see here, you'll see it's thegoodcompany.tag4.org. It has your company branding. Now, let's just say, for example, that you want to use a company logo URL. So you want to use your own company logo URL. So all you have to do is just find where your company logo URL is and insert it here. So let's just find one example of a logo URL we can use for this. So I'm going to use this example of this marketing agency, Redline Marketing Agency here. I'm just going to right click. So you would go to your own website and then you right click on it and then you click on copy image address. And then you'd go back to Outreach Genius and right here where it says company logo, all you have to do is paste that. And as you can see, it has Redline Marketing Design and save it. Now, what you want to do is you want to then copy this password, which is what you will send to your client. And you also send them this specific link. And let's just open that, and this is what your clients will see on their end. So all they will see is, and let me just, all they will see is this page, right? Once you give them access to all of it, they will see the logo here, the good company agency, the leads, the insights, B2B, B2C. So they will see literally everything that you're seeing on your end. They'll be able to even export it. This is the tag information. As you can see here, we have the good company agency.tag. So this is what they'll be able to install on their own end. And they will see all of this data and all of this information completely white labeled to you and your agency. Also, as you can see here, the name of the URL is customized to you. So that is how our whole solution works in a way that is perfectly white labeled to you, and you can start expanding your revenue and of course making lots of money and generating results for your client using this. Now, for advanced usage, if you're interested, there are more things you can do here on our platform. For example, you can connect this with Facebook ads, with some very complex workflows where you enrich the data, with more things, and we have training around that. But for the sake of this video, this is pretty much good to go for you to white label and start to resell. Look forward to seeing you in there.